grade, and we're looking at this question that requires us to solve a multi-step problem. So we are going to read the question. On Thursday, the Meat King Market sold 210 pounds of ground beef. On Friday, they sold twice that amount. On Saturday, they only sold 130 pounds. How much more meat did they sell on Friday than Saturday? So using our cubes method, we're going to circle our numbers. So we'll go ahead and circle 210. We will also circle 130. And we will also circle twice because we know the word twice means 2 times. So we can even write 2 times here to remind us. And then we're going to underline our question. What is it that the problem is asking us to do? So we're going to underline how much more meat did they sell on Friday than Saturday. And then the next thing we're going to do is to find out our keywords in the question and box those keywords to see what operation is it that the question is asking us. So our keyword here would be how much more. And most times when a question is asking you how much more is something in comparison to another, it's asking us to subtract. So now we know what our numbers are that we're working with: 210, 130. We're doing 2 times, and we also know our clue, our keyword is how much more, which means that we're going to be subtracting. The next step is to evaluate and try to see if we can draw a model or something that represents what we're thinking. So I'm going to draw a box, and in this box I'm going to use this box to represent the amount that was sold on Thursday. So I'll just go ahead and write Thursday above it, or you could just write T if you want to, and I'm representing the number 210 in this box. Then I continue reading my question to find information. On Friday they sold twice that amount. Because I know that twice means 2 times, I'm going to go ahead and draw 2 boxes to represent that amount, and I'm going to put 210 in this box and 210 in this box. So this would represent Friday. And your boxes do not have to be attached or joined together. And then I'm going to put Saturday's box. And again, this is doesn't have to be proportional. You're just trying to, try to model how you're thinking. And this box has 130. So I've modeled my thinking, and now I'm going to use my model to solve. So again, my question is asking me how much more meat did they sell on Friday than Saturday. So on Friday, I can see that that is equal to 210 plus 210, or so I could say 210 plus 210 is equal to 420. Or you could multiply 210 multiplied by 2. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 1s 2, and 2 2s 4. Either way, it doesn't matter. You could add it 2 times, or you could just multiply by 2. So since we know that Friday they sold 420 and on Saturday they sold 130, we can now go ahead and use our clue here, which means we're going to be subtracting. So we will have 420 minus 130. So now we're subtracting. I'll grab a different color, or I'll still use my black for now. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 3, I can't do that. So I'm going to go over and get some help. So I come over here, I take away 1. I'm left with 3. I bring it over. So now my new number is 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. And 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So I've solved, and I always try to make sure that I write my answer in a statement. So I would say that 290 more were sold on Friday than Saturday. And that's our answer.